Why is the E-2 visa such an attractive option for foreign entrepreneurs who want to establish and grow their business in the United States? Number one, because you can qualify for an E-2 visa with a relatively low investment. You do not need to invest $800,000 or more like you need to do for the EB-5 green card. You can qualify for an E-2 based on a much, much lower investment. Now, the law doesn't tell us how much you have to invest to get an E-2 visa, but in practice, usually with an investment of $100,000 or even less, depending on the type of business, you can usually qualify for an E-2. Number two, you can come to the United States to direct and develop your business and grow it as much as you can and as much as you want. Number three, you get to bring your spouse and your children under 21 years of age. And while you as the investor have to work in the E-2 business to direct it and develop it, your spouse, once he or she gets their work permit, they can work anywhere in the United States. Number four, this is my favorite. The E-2 visa can be renewed indefinitely if these two requirements are met. Number one, if the United States maintains their E-2 treaty with your country of nationality. And number two, if your E-2 business continues to operate. If these two requirements are met, there is no limit to the amount of time that you can renew your E-2 visa. You can renew it indefinitely. And number five, timing. The E-2 visa application is usually a matter of months. Now, obviously, this can change. Every case is different. It depends on the consulate. It depends on the application that you're doing. But generally, in my experience, it is a matter of months, which is much, much shorter than many other options. Now, the E-2 visa comes with certain criteria and certain requirements that you have to meet. And if you're thinking about applying, you're thinking about investing in the United States and you want to see if you qualify, feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email.